So today I'm gonna make stuffed chicken breast with cheddar cheese and spinach. Olive oil. Add the chopped spinach, minced garlic, red chili flakes, salt and pepper. Cheddar cheese. Seal it with a toothpick. Season with a bit of salt, pepper, a bit of olive oil on the top. Top with a slice of tomato and some shredded cheddar cheese on top. Bake this at 180 Celsius for 16 to 20 minutes. So this is how the chicken looks after it gets baked. Just quickly remove the toothpicks. With spinach and cheddar cheese. Let's quickly give it a taste. Very good. This was a healthy and easy chicken dinner recipe. If you liked it, please make it and comment below how you liked making this recipe. And for more recipes, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time.